To purchase a Shopify plan using a debit card, follow these steps. Select the plan. Visit the Shopify website and choose the plan that best fits your business needs. Shopify offers various plans with different features and pricing tiers. Proceed to checkout. Once you've selected a plan, proceed to the checkout page by clicking on the Start Free Trial or Choose Plan button. Enter billing information. On the checkout page, you will need to enter your billing information, including your email address, business name, and country. Choose Payment Method. In the Payment section, select credit or debit card as your payment method. Enter card details. Enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address associated with the card. Complete payment. After entering your card details, review the information to ensure it's accurate, then click the Complete Purchase or Pay Now button to submit your payment. Confirmation. Once the payment is processed successfully, you will receive a confirmation email from Shopify and your account will be activated. Access your Shopify account. Log into your Shopify account using the credentials you provided during sign up, and you can start building your online store.